Murphy's Law. Plan B or bust. Why every entrepreneur needs a backup plan. Hey, Savvy Bookkeepers. In a perfect world, your business would run exactly how you planned. But guess what? We don't live in that world. We live in a Murphy's Law world where if something can go wrong, it probably will. So today I'm giving you the straight talk on why contingency plans are non-negotiable and how to build them smartly. So let's start by being realistic. Running a business isn't about planning for what will go right. It's about preparing for what might go wrong. Plan for the best, prepare for the worst. A client ghosts you, a tech meltdown, power outage right before payroll, your VA suddenly up and quits. If you don't have a plan B, you're not running a business. You're just running on hope, and hope is not strategy. Contingency planning isn't about fear, it's about freedom. When you prepare for the worst, you give your business a better shot at its best. Here's what smart bookkeepers do. Back up your files in the cloud and offline. Have a second system or tool in case your go-to software fails. Build relationships with backup contractors or other virtual assistants. Have pre-written emails for client crises or delays. Block out margin in your schedule to handle the unexpected. And in fact, you can find an entire segment in Maven System 1's standard operating procedures devoted directly to emergency management. When you prepare, you lead. When you scramble, you shrink. Your clients will remember how you handled pressure, not from how you handled perfection. And your reputation? It's not built in your best moments. It's actually revealed when the wheels fall off and you still show up with solutions. You don't have to anticipate every failure, but you do need to build resilience in your systems. That's what makes you the go-to in your space. Not because everything runs perfectly, but because you can pivot fast, recover faster, and keep clients calm while you do it. So here's your Maven move for today. Pick one area of your business and build a backup for it. Where's your data stored? Who's your backup team member? What happens if your go-to system fails? Contingency isn't panic, it's power. So drop a little lightning bolt if you're building a business that bends and doesn't break. And hit subscribe so you never miss your next Maven move.